Respects. Honorable Chairman, AP State Legislative Council, Honorable Speaker, AP Legislative Assembly, and Honorable Members of the State Legislature. It is indeed an honor and privilege for me to address the esteemed joint session of this Legislative Assembly on this momentous occasion of the budget session 2025-26. The people of Andhra Pradesh have bestowed an unprecedented mandate to my government in the assembly elections, reflecting their trust and confidence in the leadership of Shri Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Pawan Kalyan Garu, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and the complete support of Shri Narendra Modi Garu, Honorable Prime Minister of India, and the coalition of NDA government. The overwhelming and historic majority bestowed upon this government is not only a resounding testament to people's will